Burstner, a name synonymous with high-quality recreational vehicles, introduced the Elegance series 3 years ago. Positioned as the premium segment of their lineup, the Elegance series offers unparalleled comfort and style for the discerning traveler. The 2024 Elegance I 920 continues this tradition, built on a robust Mercedes-Benz chassis, combining durability with opulence. Weighing 5 tons and measuring just under 9 meters, 29.5 feet, in length, the Elegance I 920 is 2.3 meters, 7.5 feet, wide and 3 meters, 9.8 feet, tall. Designed for comfort, it features 2 sleeping areas that can accommodate up to 4 people. Options include a royal suite or a king-size island bed. The spacious lounge converts into a dining area for 4, adjacent to a full-size kitchen equipped with modern appliances. The bathroom, with its marble accents and sustainable Thetford Indus toilet system, showcases the balance of luxury and environmental consciousness. The Thetford Indus system is a highlight, treating grey water from sinks and showers to be reused for toilet flushing, thus reducing water usage and extending autonomy for up to a week for 2 people. Additionally, the 19-liter, 5-gallon, black water tank on casters simplifies disposal without moving the vehicle. The Elegance I 920 boasts a pass-through garage, exterior camera system, and Mercedes advanced driving aids, including adaptive cruise control and electronic stability control. Optional extras like a leather steering wheel, heated seats, and winter packages add further comfort. The double floor with insulation offers extra storage, and app connectivity allows remote monitoring of vehicle metrics. Inside, the Elegance I 920 features creative space-saving solutions like an electronic drop-down bed and bench-stored seats. The kitchen rivals residential ones with its wine rack, large fridge, and wall-mounted sink. The bathroom offers a private, spacious experience with separate shower and vanity areas. The bedroom, whether featuring an island bed or the royal U-shaped setup, includes ample storage options, perfect for long-term living. Starting at £152,000/€179,000, approximately $194,000, the Elegance I 920 can reach up to £190,000/€223,000, $241,000, with additional options. This investment ensures a top-tier motorhome experience, combining luxury, sustainability, and cutting-edge technology for the ultimate nomadic lifestyle. The 2024 Burstner Elegance I 920 truly lives up to its "penthouse on wheels" reputation, making it the perfect choice for those who value both adventure and luxury.